I get this question all the time. Devin, how do you compare niches when one is easier to explain and the other is easier to monetize? My rule is simple. For a beginner, clarity usually wins first. Because if people don't instantly understand what your videos are about, you usually don't get the click, you don't get the watch time, and the monetization upside never gets a chance to matter. So I'd score each niche on 3 things, 1 to 5. First, explainability. Can a stranger understand the value of the channel in 1 sentence? Second, monetization proximity. Can you clearly name the buyer, offer, or product path? Third, idea depth. Can you list 30 video ideas without stretching? Now here's the decision rule. If one niche is much easier to explain and the monetization gap is only theoretical, pick the simpler niche. If the higher monetization niche also has a clear audience, clear pain point, and at least 10 obvious video titles, then it's worth pursuing. But if it needs too much setup, too much jargon, or too much context, it's probably a bad beginner niche. The best move is often a bridge. Make content that is easy to understand on the surface, but points toward a higher value problem underneath. For example, instead of business systems architecture, talk about how creators save 5 hours a week and monetize with systems, automation, or services later. If you want to test this fast, build 10 titles for each niche and compare which list feels instantly clearer. That's exactly the kind of workflow I'd map inside Satura. So don't choose the niche with the biggest upside on paper. Choose the one with the clearest path to getting understood. Then expand toward the money.